Welcome to Next Level Carpentry. I'm Matt Jackson, and I'm proud to announce that for the second consecutive year, the publicity team at DuhWALT chose this channel and yours truly as their YouTube content producer for 2019. I've got a question for you. Do you think that rolling out cords on the job site every day so you can charge all the cordless tools you have on your cordless job site is rather absurd? Well, I do too. And so does the entire product development team at DuhWALT. That's why we teamed up to announce the release of their revolutionary new Cordless Cordless Battery Charging System with proprietary portable power transfer technology. Something this remarkable doesn't just appear overnight. In fact, history books are full of revolutionary developments much like this. Somewhere after cavemen quit drawing stick figures on the caved walls that they were named for, a guy called Archimedes discovered displacement of water. That was no big deal to most people, but it was to him. In fact, he was so excited about it, newspaper accounts claimed that he jumped out of the bathtub he was soaking in at the time of the discovery and went streaking down the Appian Way shouting, "Eureka!" at the top of his lungs. Crazy. Ben Franklin and Thomas Edison were next when they discovered electricity while out flying a kite one day and talking about marketing potential for cordless tools, or something like that. The takeaway was that electricity is made up of ohms and comes in two flavors, AC and DC. AC is now used to run air conditioners, and DC is what cordless tools run with. Since then, research into the nature of ohms led to a breakthrough when they discovered A ohms in AC power, since they're larger and more plentiful. A subsequent discovery led to the discovery of C ohms discovered in both AC and DC current. But advances since then have been both insignificant and few. That brings us to current times. Current times, get it? Like electrical current? And a brilliant engineer named Dr. Simpson, who is currently CEO, that's Chief Electrical Officer at DuhWALT. A few months ago, Dr. Simpson, whose friends know him as Homer, stumbled onto the final elusive component of electricity. Here's Homer at his desk when, in a flash of Archimedean inspiration, he realizes the final piece of the cordless electricity conundrum is the D ohms in DC power. Since he was sitting at his desk and not in a tub full of Evian water like Archimedes, because everyone knows that messing with electricity while sitting in a tub can kill you, and not only will it kill you, but it'll hurt the whole time you're dying, he didn't go streaking down Wilshire Boulevard shouting, "Eureka!" He just slapped his forehead and exclaimed, "Domes!" It wasn't long until this shocking discovery was developed for use in DuhWALT's all-new Cordless Cordless Battery Charging System. They call the system the DOLT, and it features proprietary port-a-pot portable power transfer technology. The Next Level Carpentry audience is the first to see the actual device in this exclusive product release video. As you'd expect, there's no power cord on the device. Ambient power is transferred into and out of the device via this flip-up antenna. DuhWALT's exclusive port-a-pot portable power transmission technology uses proximity charging capability, so compatible tools are just positioned within range for optimum charging synchronization. An audible tone indicates ohmage deficiency for each battery within range. When you're hard at work and a drained battery is slowing you down, simply place the tired tool within proximity charging range. Smart circuitry in the device detects D-ohm levels and transmits a recharge directly into the battery pack with no need to remove it. The D-ohm charging cycle is initiated using the DOLT app on your smartphone. The charging cycle is faster than the speeding sound of light, so you're ready to go back to work before you can say, "Dome!" Now this saw is charged up and ready to go back to doing the work you do, so you can earn the money you'll need to buy one of these amazing devices. You've got to admit that this new charging system is a whole lot better than rolling out cords and plugging in chargers and batteries, right? If you experience slow charging cycle rates, it means that battery terminals need to be cleaned for optimum D-ohm transfer rates, so rolls of terminal polish paper are provided. Just tear off a couple sheets of TPP, give those terminals a wipe, and then rerun the charging cycle. Compared to coiling cords, a DOLT with port-a-pot can really amp up performance on your job site, so productivity will get a jolt when you get a DOLT. The DOLT can easily charge two tools at the same time, with no slowdown in the charging cycle. And faster than the speeding sound of light, these tools are ready to go back to work. Keep in mind that the DOLT charging system is exclusively for DuhWALT power tools. Any attempt to charge an off-brand tool like this Makita will result in damage to the tool and possibly the operator. Next Level Carpentry viewers and subscribers who are early adopters of this revolutionary new device can take advantage of an exclusive offer from DuhWALT. It's available starting April 1st for everyone who finds the Get a Dolt and Get a Jolt link in the video description below to snag a piece of swag. You can have your own desktop display and be the first to tell others that you're ready to flush the cords and recharge your tools faster than the speeding sound of light. Slam that thumbs up button if you like this video, and be sure to share it with your friends on Insta, Google, Twitface. And until another time, thanks for watching. Me? I'd better update my calendar because I just remembered it's April 1st. Imagine that.